South Park, New York, Pennsylvania. He uses a tremendous amount of gas to use it to run it. Unfortunately, once I put home to tell you how many cubic feet an hour it push. And I do remember this is an 1100 horse. In that paperwork it says at rated speed, which is 90 RPM, they use 12.5 cubic feet of gas per horsepower hour. That's an enormous pile of gas. This kind of see why they shut these things down and went to the turbines. Today, if you got natural gas in the house or anywhere, there's still a turbine or combustion engine, and got to force that gas down the line. These were the first ones being used. They used to have 2 of these in the pump house where we got this out of West Virginia. Unfortunately, the second one got scrapped. They threw that on a fire. Threw it out of the gas company, sold the building and the engine, disconnected all the lines, put the building up for sale, the engines, everything in it, all the paraphernalia around it. The owner family bought it, so they didn't come oil drilling. They wanted to restore it. They took the other engine, took them all summer to bust it off the farm up pieces of junkyard, put it in septic. And actually, the great-grandpa, the one that done it, at the time he was telling the boys, I'd like to see this other engine. This is number 123 serial number. That one was 124. He said, you want to see number 123? Go to some museum, exhibit. He wanted it preserved. He had a big heart, and he just couldn't do the other one. He had to leave it. There's very few of them around anymore. Michigan never had none. Never used that big engine. So they saved it. This was shut down in 1964 when they bought the buildings. It's up there for 40 years. And actually, 3rd generation of boys still in the oil business. Started on Colin, bigger shows, Rolling, Cool Springs, all the other places. They had smaller engines and didn't really want another one. This is considered a twin. You have got 2 sides on it. The other 2 engines, Rolling, Cool Springs, Florida, they've got 600s and 400s. It's everything on one side with a massive bearing on this side and pumps on the back. I run 2 articles in Gas Engine magazine stating in stuff from inflation. This is the only twin, or it's considered a twin, that I know that existed. Figured my own phone was nuts, and I still use no flip phone, so I wouldn't take much to blow that to pieces. I've got no response on it. And a lot of engine experts that I've talked to, they don't know any of the twin, which Stone made them, Sarge made them, Burbank sponsors, quite a few different companies. I don't know if this is the last surviving twin, if we got to need it for this, we got something very valuable. Like I said, lower in Ohio, Texas, Hawaii, Kentucky, and all they use this style of engine. Michigan, we use all uprights. This got a 23-inch bore, 48-inch stroke. It's got 4 pistons, 1 here in the front, 1 in the back, the same on this side. 4-foot stroke, compresses to the front, ignites, also has a compression stroke to the back. So it's a compound cylinder. So you're firing back and forth. 4 pistons are firing 8 strokes every time they're off. It's quite ingenious the way it was built back then. You know, there's no computers, no CAD programs, no nothing. So some good minds up there that really studied something that a little bit today you wonder, comes from up here, everything's done down there. This is great. I mean, it's a lot easier. This job, the engine, when we got a call on it, they looked around, they called our contact at the Buckley address and that. Jim Wilbur, Jim Clover, and me, they go off with the bigger engines I do the oil building and stuff. They said there's an engine up for a guy who wants to donate a family. He said, talk to him. Well, I talked to him, called him, asked him what it was. He said 1100 stall. I like to get it over. I've always fascinated with stalls and that. Never dreamt in my mind when I walked in there it's going to be that big. Big. We said we can do it, let's go. We started this in 208. Granted, it's all volunteer help doing it and that. The massive wood. Underneath, the engine itself is 225 ton output. The spent under the engine alone, not what you're standing on, is 230 yards. 10 ton of rebar. There's an anchor bolt laying down here, 2.5 inch in diameter, anywhere from 6 to 8 foot long. There's 44 of them. So it's square, line it up, we got some rubber truck members that we spent hours in this square and getting it ready for grouting. We're at the point now where we're getting close to the gas. So we got a cooling system and everything in, the no shows for last year and possibly no show this year. The board said it had to watch our money and do some of the small stuff. Next year we're hoping to start on the cooling a year or two, which there's members in here that would be saying this several times already, you know, next year. Well, that's like a sign on the car. You look at it, it says premier tomorrow. You come back tomorrow, it's the same thing. So we're getting to be about the same way. No, right now we're an operator we do that air build up the same as what we do. They turn this, why was air start? It's actually the air valve down below. Plate comes up here, this is the air distributor. It comes in here, you'll see these wheels turning. Each one of these lanes goes to one of the cylinders. Just about open top that center. So as soon as it gets air, you push that piston down, cuts off right at the bottom one, and the distributor is already timed, and it'll find the other one and start pushing. It just gives you inertia going in the flywheel. As it gets you rolling, we'll adjust this gas, we'll turn it on, turn the ignition on, and hope it started. And if it did, we've done some good work, you know, running. They're quite easy starting. The one at Tool Springs, I started that one, they start nice. Once you get them dialed in. So we'll get on it, we'll roll it over, get the cameras ready. Thank you for coming. You're $10